Okay, first, I need a profession.
Hobo. Transient.
Bum,
Derelict.
drug addict,
Tramp.
street urchin.
Guy with no job.
Okay, I heard hobo. That's a good one. Now I need a location.
Cardboard
Real
box.
shithole.
Shitty alleyway.
Dumpster.
Underpass.
Dumpster.
Not a house.
Okay, I heard shitty alley. That's good. All right, I need a normal, everyday item.
Crack cocaine.
Cocaine.
Crack.
Okay, I think I heard crack. That's good. Okay, last I need a volunteer to help me with this scene. You, sir. Okay, so hobo, shitty alley, and crack. Ready?
This is some good crack.
Give me that crack, damn it. Brilliant.
Yeah, he's really exposing the cracks in our society.
Crack. Give me it.